Want to grow your YouTube channel with real views and subscribers? NicePanel has you covered. All of the links for NicePanel will be in the description of today's video. Alrighty folks, so we are signed into our account here and taking a bit of a look. So really the first thing that I absolutely just have to say is the simple fact that their range of services is absolutely on point, guys. So they're focusing on getting the most high quality views, subscribers, likes, comments, and everything is authentic with absolutely no non-drop, okay? There's non-drop, guys. So essentially means that all the views, the subs, likes, the comments, they're coming from real, authentic people, not just bots and stuff that don't actually get properly recognized by these social media algorithms. And folks, they have got the most #1 competitive pricing in the market, guys, and only possible with being a direct provider, folks. So you get your premium, folks, YouTube growth for a fraction of the actual reseller panel cost. So we've got some examples right here, okay? So first one straight up the top here. All right, we've got a premium members Telegram, 90 days premium members, instant speed, fast, 30 days, non-drop, all right? And you can go ahead and order that now for $7.90. So that is absolutely fantastic and actually the most favorited one there. So you can really see these sales are going ahead really quickly, going through real quick, and it's very modest pricing, guys, extremely affordable and really just worth its weight in gold if you're a small, medium, large business or a solo entrepreneur, guys, in the space and just struggling a bit to get your brand off of the ground. And folks, they've got all of the exclusive features and custom packages that you would need, especially tailored growth packages built to fit your individual channel's needs. All right, so you can go ahead, put in your orders, and you can put everything in, guys. You can link your channel there, okay? You can put the quantity of what you need, your average time, everything, folks. Got panels here for premium members. Check your speed in there as well, okay? There's heaps of stuff there. So you can really modify and really just get everything sorted out. Your filter services, and also I would encourage you to read before ordering as well, but very easy to use and manage. And this right here, folks, is NicePanel's YouTube SMM Panel. The YouTube SMM Panel offers the best and cheapest solutions to enhance your channel's growth and engagement effectively. So I highly recommend you go ahead with that one and get registered now easily, folks, guys. Very, very easy. You can manage your orders anywhere, anytime. Also using the mobile app that it has available as well. There's also that 24-hour support 7 days a week, which is absolutely fantastic. And this part I just absolutely love as well. What does our 5-year history say, guys? 5 years doing this, folks, with over 50,000 active users, over 36 million successful orders, over 4,000 sites connected to NicePanel, and almost 100,000 tickets have been answered. So really good to see how reputable NicePanel have been. And also, guys, before I do wrap up the video, I'd also like to say they have a $1 free test balance for new users to try these YouTube services. You've got really nothing to lose. Go ahead and give NicePanel a try, and you'll get that $1 starting balance. You won't be locked into any nonsense subscriptions right from the start. You get a chance to test it, have success with it, and then actually go ahead and commit to a little bit more, guys, okay? So really easy, guys, really easy. This is the way forward, all right? The delivery is fast, okay? It's dedicated support. Everything's here, guys. So let us know if you want to get connected with these guys and sign up. The link to do it will be at the very top of the description of this video. If you like the video, like it, subscribe, comment, hit notifications, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.